What's going on, everybody? It is Charlize Walker of Lisa's Business Enterprise here with another Make It Happen Monday credit tip. Doing a five-part series on credit score data and ways to improve your credit score according to the FICO credit score model. Remember, 90% of lenders use this model. So today what as you are watching this, part four is about new credit or credit inquiries and how you can improve this part of your credit. So 10% of your credit score is the amount of new credit or inquiries. And this may be one of the shortest videos that I've done in this series because the amount of the percentage amount is lower. The last two are factors are lower here, but I want to try to explain it anyway during this series. So, when you're shopping for a mortgage or auto loan or a credit card or rental lease for a house or an apartment, just understand that each application will be counted as an inquiry. Each credit or loan application counts as a hard inquiry. So just remember, or you can go back to, or hopefully I posted somewhere as a link. I did a video on pre-qualification versus pre-approval on credit cards. I definitely recommend that you check it out so you can kind of understand the difference between the two. And as in my book, I suggest comparison shopping before you actually submit an application. My book, Take Charge of Your Credit, the step by step guide to repaying your credit. So at the back, it talks about healthy financial behaviors. And I talk about comparison shopping because the rule of thumb is like maybe two, maybe three, maybe the max four. I'll just say two to four in card inquiries that is, on your credit report that looks okay, right? And then, but if you have lots of recent hard inquiries on your credit report, it can elevate the level of risk that it looks to, lenders or when you do your application every. So, though the FICO score factors in the last 12 months of your credit score when it comes to hard inquiries, it can take and it will take 2 years to fall off. Hard inquiries take 2 years to fall off your credit report. So I would say do not open no new accounts if you don't need it, especially it kind of factors in budgeting too. If you can't take it on or if you don't need to take it on, don't do it. And don't try to fill out a whole bunch of inquiries in a short period of time because I would say if you have like five or six, you can get denied an application because you have so many inquiries on your credit report. Really, you can. So if you have like five or six or eight or more, they're gonna look at you as a huge level of risk. Why are you applying some more? And usually with eight or more, they're gonna like this person may be going into bankruptcy or something. We don't know. So depending on that level of risk, you can get denied for credit based off of the amount of inquiries that you have on your credit report. So don't open too many accounts in a short span of time. This will allow your score to recover from any drop due to a hard inquiry. So too many inquiries again in a short period of time can lower your credit score. So for instance, and it's kind of like it plays both sides. So if you apply for the credit, you get denied, it drops your points. But if you apply for the credit and you get approved, the points go up. So, but again, if you don't need it, if you don't need an apartment, if you don't need a loan, if you don't need a credit card, especially don't open a new account